Hi, I'm Leslie with Earthworks. I'm one of the designers at Earthworks, and this was a really fun project for me. We are in Queens Harbor, and these homeowners wanted a complete makeover for the front yard. Originally, they've got a horseshoe-shaped driveway, and the original landscaping just kind of was a blob, kind of came into the middle of the property. They had some dead trees, a lot of sand, so there really wasn't anything spectacular about it, so we were looking for a whole makeover. So what I did, because of the horseshoe-shaped driveway, we kind of followed that pattern with a horseshoe-shaped landscape. These folks love azaleas, they're rhododendrons, so we used a lot of what they already had and replanted those for them. And then we just brought in a lot of color with the sunshines. I've got Loropetalum. A lot of this Agapanthus belonged to the homeowners, so we repurposed that. And just reshape this landscape. Part of this was maintenance for them. They just wanted it easier to maintain. So I felt like just bringing some more sod in so the mowers could get through here, that was going to kind of eliminate some of that clutter that they had originally. So we just kind of expanded on the kidney shape that was already there, added the Sylvester, added a few crepe myrtle trees for some more color. And just basically a lot of color. We wanted to lean into perennials and evergreens, so they still had a lot of color with low maintenance. So I'm really, really happy with the way this arrangement came out. So they've gotten a lot of compliments from their neighbors. Feels like a state park, so we're all happy. Sometimes less is more. The windows and doors are the eyes of your home. So this originally had a couple of robelinis up here. The Mexican heather was up here and some plants. It was looking a little scraggly. So we just took all of that out and added kaleidoscope abelia, which flowers. So these are fairly new plantings, so they'll shape up a little bit better, but they stay low, so they'll never block your view. So it just brings some nice, simple, easy color to the front of the house without blocking the view. Additionally, we added a paver walkway all the way to the back of the house. This originally was a lot of river rock and steppers. It was uneven and not safe, so we wanted to create a safe pathway to the back of the house and then also provide a pad for garbage and recycling pans. Had a lot of trees back here with some really deep roots, and our crews worked really, really hard to get that stuff out. It looked like bunkers back here, but we love this paver color. It really just pairs nicely with the house. Adds just a touch of gray. Add a little bit of planting on the side of the house, but it's a very functional and safe walkway for these homeowners. And we can come around and get to the back of the house. Additionally, we extended the pavers behind the pool deck. They were having a lot of problems with water splashing up onto the pool deck and debris. It was all over the screen, so we created a 2-foot wide path of pavers. So it looks like this sidewalk is extended, but that leaves a nice barrier between plantings and the pool deck, so the pool deck stays a lot cleaner and it looks nice. These folks have a really nice view out the back. We didn't want to block any of that view here in Queens Harbor. So we took this Mexican heather, transplanted it from the front to back here, so it's a really nice border plant. It's doing well back here, so it gives them a little touch of color without blocking their beautiful view. We reshaped this bed line over here just a little bit. Snow and Summer Jasmine, so we repurposed that. It looks great back here. Added some flowers to a pot. Again, used their azaleas, and then we just added some plants back here for just a little bit of privacy, and just created a nice cozy garden space. So homeowners are happy, I'm happy. Come see us at 12501 Beach Boulevard. We're at the corner of Beach and Kernan. Check out our YouTube channel where all these videos land, and make a comment. Do you like the designs? Do you like our plant choices? We work really closely with our homeowners, and we love what we do. We can help you from start to finish, and we're there with you. Come see us.